Moisture is between two resistant layers. A small damp zone sits inside the wall, between an interior resistant layer and an exterior resistant layer. Can it still dry? The exit arrows narrow, but they do not disappear. Double vapor barrier is an informal expression. It describes an assembly with a resistant layer, a sensitive material, and another resistant layer. But not every membrane, foam board, or coating has the same resistance. It is relative, not absolute. Vapor-resistant layers may limit vapor entry into the assembly, but if moisture is already inside, from construction, rain, or air leakage, the same layers may also limit diffusive drying in both directions. Moisture is not automatically sealed in. Limited is not zero. Some assemblies may still have limited diffusion, drainage toward the exterior, cavity ventilation, or drying through connected edges. These paths must be verified, not assumed. The source matters. Construction moisture enclosed in damp material, rain entering through a flashing gap, and indoor air leaking through a crack and cooling create different loads. Drying potential cannot compensate for an ongoing leak. Not all two-resistant layer walls are the same. Assembly A, Assembly B, and Assembly C may behave differently because of climate, layer position, material properties, indoor conditions, and workmanship. Same label, different assemblies. The correct question is not simply, are there two vapor barriers? Ask how resistant each layer is, how moisture could enter, and whether the assembly has sufficient drying potential for its conditions. Evaluate the complete assembly. Two vapor-resistant layers can restrict drying, but they do not prove trapped moisture, condensation, or failure. Restricted drying is not automatic failure. Evaluate the complete assembly and control ongoing moisture entry. Consider a diffusion view. Vapor moves from higher concentration toward lower concentration. When both sides of the sensitive material are resistant, the outward flow narrows, but small amounts of vapor may still cross the layers. Air leakage is separate from diffusion. A small gap can carry far more moisture than diffusion when indoor air flows outward and cools. Keep vapor diffusion, air leakage, and liquid water entry as separate mechanisms. Do not puncture a membrane as a repair, and do not remove a layer without project-specific evaluation. Conceptual assemblies are not construction-ready details. Verify with product documentation and qualified professionals. Recap. Two vapor-resistant layers may restrict drying, but they do not automatically trap moisture or cause failure. Source, amount, and drying paths must be verified. Next, why can vapor drive reverse with the seasons?